Till here we have learned how to declare a variable, how to initialize it, and by initializing it we mean how to assign a value to it. And as soon as the value is assigned to it, at which memory location in the RAM that variable is stored, it will be assigned to it. Now we will see if we can redeclare a variable which has been declared before. By redeclaring, we mean that can we update or replace its value or not. Does Python give us permission to do this or not? To check this, we will redeclare that same variable to check if it prints our thing correctly or not. It has showed us our output correctly on the screen. Now we have to see that what error will it give if we change the name of a variable. It has given us an error var is not defined, because on this line the variable we are trying to print is var, while we have changed the name of the variable to var1. Now it has shown us the output of the program correctly. Now if I want to concatenate two variables, meaning if I want to print both of them on one line, for it I will var plus var. In the output it has printed the var variable joined in one line. If we want to give a space between them, we can add a space and output will show up on the screen correctly. What will it output? If I write var1 here instead of var, it has given us an error, type error. Type error means that the two variables that we are trying to concatenate are not of the same type. For it, Python gives us a function which we call str so that we can convert the number variable into a string also. Because the var variable that we have is a string type variable, meaning the value stored in it is like an English language value. Now we will run them both. It has concatenated both of them correctly and displayed them on the screen. All the variables we create in a program will occupy as much space in memory. If we want to release space from a variable to free it, for it we have a function del variable name. This means that we will delete the variable from memory. We will free up the space it has occupied. I will run this. My program output will be the same, but to check if my variable has been deleted or not, when I will print that variable, it has given me an error. var1 is not defined, meaning this variable that we had declared was in our memory. It was placed in it, but after deleting it after this instruction, that variable has been deleted from memory, and Python language does not know its address, its symbol, so it has given us this error that var1 is not defined. So like this, we can variables in our memory. Benefit of this command will be that those variables which we have to use only once, they after doing their work once, the space that they have occupied in memory can be freed. They can be deleted and in their place we can use that memory space in a program for some other task. This is the major advantage of this command. When we have to write a big program, we have to declare a lot of variables. And by using this command, we can delete the variables that are not in our use and free our memory from them.